Hey now, I made this thing up because I had a hard time getting the lug nut off one time with impact and everything. I tried. I couldn't get it. So with this thing, I can put my weight on it, you know, and knocks it right loose. It's just like a braking bar, but now I'm tightening it. But I have a step here, and I can change the sockets because this one fits my cars and stuff. It's just 3/4, and this one's a 13/16, which seems to fit the trailers and stuff that I have. And these pull off of here, and I can interchange them because with this handle here, she won't work this way. So I have to change it to use it. Okay. I welded these little squares on there that I got out of a couple impact guns that were bad, so I can take the sockets off. I think it'll work out pretty good. All right. I like it. This is gonna be all right. I just keep it in a Jeep here or whatever. All right, that's it.